Hello, my Mishkhafam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to recreate something that actually happened. A very funny and a sweet surprise planned by my husband. The whole thing started because of postpartum hair removal has been such a struggle. Okay, now let me show you how it actually went down. Papa! Listen na. Jan, can you watch Archie for a few hours? I really need to go to the salon.
I don't think so I need to go anywhere.
Hey, come on, it's just a matter of few hours. Can't you do that for a while? Look at this hair growth. My legs have literally turned into a mini forest after childbirth. I seriously need a laser section done, but I have no time and I can't leave Archie. You only need to look after him for a little while. Can't you do that for me, Jan, please? I just don't understand. Foreign moms will relate to this so much. There's never any time for salon visits. You're constantly carrying the baby, doing housework, and the body hair just keep growing. Saving irritates my skin. My confidence sometimes drops a bit. And honestly, even finding 1 hour for self-care feels like such a luxury.
Oh no. Do you want to have a cuppa? I'm having one.
No, thank you.
The next day.
Oh no. Don't be upset. I got something for you.
What?
Just open it and see.
This is dark.
Just open. And don't be alone.
Oh my goodness! This is the DermRays V8S and FDA approved 810 nanometers true diode laser hair removal device. Oh my goodness. It's designed for safe at home use, especially for sensitive or postpartum skin. So you basically get clinic level technology right at home.
Yes, internet told me this is the best one anyone can get. Perfect for you, perfect for postpartum, and this is the ultimate thing for you.
I think it's perfect for anyone, I guess.
Yeah, actually it's perfect anyone, yeah. I told you, I don't let my wife go to salon unnecessarily.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
See, if you want to clean your Amazon, I got the best Amazon cleaning solution for you. Right in front of you.
Right at home, you mean to say?
Right at home.
You're seriously impossible, huh? But I must say, this is really thoughtful. I love you. With consistent weekly use, DermRays says you can see up to 82% hair reduction in just 8 weeks. The hair becomes noticeably thinner, the growth cycle becomes longer, and there's no irritated redness on the skin at all. And because the device has 30 million flashes, it's going to last for years without needing any replacement. The thing I really like when I check the manual is how convenient and cost-effective this device actually is. DermRays says you can do a full body session in around 15 minutes, which is perfect for moms who only get time during the baby's nap. And honestly, it's cheaper than even 2 salon sessions. It really saves money in the long run. It also has multiple intensity levels, which is great for postpartum sensitive skin. And you can use it on legs, underarms, and even the bikini area. And because it's FDA approved and does not require goggles, it feels very safe to use at home. Plus, it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty. So it really helps reduce any worry when you are trying a new device.
Yes, I know. I am genius and I got you the best one. Now stop giving me lecture. Just go and use it and give me the final results.
Okay, then let me go to the washroom first, my genius.
Why washroom? You can use it anywhere.
Let me say first, my love.
Okay, fine. Do your process, then come and show me the final results.
Laser treatment, you always have to save the area first. You should not wax or epilate because the laser needs the hair root to stay inside the skin. Saving just removes the surface hair. So the diode laser can target the root properly and give better results. Okay, let me start now.
Okay, madam. Choose intensity level first.
Oh yeah, you're right. I have to start very low because postpartum skin is anyways very sensitive. This is real diode laser and not IPL. The light goes deeper into the hair root using a single precise wavelength. IPL uses broad spectrum light, so it spreads out and needs more sessions to work. Diode laser is stronger, more targeted, and gives longer lasting results. It's FDA approved, safe to use without goggles, and you can choose the intensity level based on your comfort.
Any pain?
No pain at all. No irritation, no redness. I think because it's diode laser and not IPL. Diode targets the hair root more precisely, which means fewer sessions and better long-term results.
See, I told you, your husband always gets the best gift.
Okay, you win today. I'm adding this clip after using this device for a few days so that I can share with you my real experience. So after pregnancy, my underarms really develop some uneven pigmentation, and that is very common after pregnancy. So I totally don't stress about it. But one thing that really bothers me is the growth of this hair. My underarm hair growth is something that I really want to get rid of because the hair grows back so fast that it's very uncomfortable and annoying. After using the DermRays V8S for a few days, I can already see that it's helping with the hair growth. The sensation during use is very gentle and warm. There is no irritation at all. And my skin feels really calm even on the sensitive areas like my underarms as well. Compared to IPL devices, this 810 nanometer diode laser feels much more comfortable and controlled on the skin, and it clearly targets the hair better. That's why the experience feels smoother and more effective at the same time. So Mishkhafam, that is how exactly the whole scenario happened. Funny, romantic and very thoughtful. Postpartum self-care should not feel like a luxury. Time is limited and money goes on the baby, and salons are expensive. For me, actually, this device has become a time-saving and money-saving blessing. And cleaning my jungle right at home is much more easier than carrying a baby to the salon. If you're a mom or someone very busy, struggling to find time for self-care, this might really help. I will leave all the details below, and thank you for watching my videos, and keep sharing and keep commenting and keep showering love to us and of course to Archie. Till then, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye bye.